Yeah, good evening. In this session, we are going to discuss about the case study on impact of VLSI on modern electronics. It is not.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a case study on the VLSI technology impacts on modern electronics. And I am Gajendra. This is Artis, Gokul, Bhavana, Hamsa, and Haris. The VLSI stands for Very Large Scale Integration, which refers to the process of creating integrated circuits from thousands to millions of transistors onto a single electronic chip. This process leads to the miniaturization of the modern electronics. The VLSI evolution and history takes us back to the 1947 when the first transistor was invented, and later in 1958 the first integrated chip was introduced. After the the small scale integration was started, medium scale integration, and later 1980s and large scale integration was introduced. And after 1990s and still now, ultra large scale integration was practiced, and it may go beyond that even in future. In this case study, we are going to see the significant impacts of VLSI technology in modern electronics. And Atif will continue.
So to start with, let me explain about the miniaturization and integration of the VLSI technology. So first, the common density. So the integration of various components such as millions of transistors in a single chip leads to very reduced in the component density, and also this miniaturization leads to much more efficient performance. And then the multi-core processor. So integration of multi-cores in a single microchip is helping it to make it much more efficient, and processing speed also get improved, and also it helps in power computing and multitasking capabilities. Then the SoC, the system on chip. So integration of multiple functions such as GPU, CPU, input-output memory, and etc. on a single chip helps us in performing multiple tasks, and also they are useful in reducing the discrete connections. Some of the real-time examples that we see is the integration in smartphones, tablets, and etc. On to go.
So at first, speed. So advanced VLSI led to increase the clock speed of the VLSI devices. So it makes the impact on AI, gaming, and scientific simulation like that. After that, power efficiency. So VLSI made low power consumption per transistor. So it helps in the smartwatch manufacturing, mobile phone manufacturing like that. So at last, thermal management. So wrong thermal management leads the or affects the longevity of the devices. So VLSI helps to manage the thermal management well. So the longevity and the productivity of the devices here not affected by the thermal temperature.
I'm going to explain the cost reduction impact of the VLSI technology. Due to the large amount of manufacturing in VLSI chips, which lead to the significant cost reduction in modern electronic devices. This causes a major impact on accessibility and affordability of modern electronic technology to the general public, and then which leads to the manufacturing efficiency. The VLSI mass production causes the significant reduction in the production cost as well. For example, the fully automation of wafer processing and lithography. The examples include the automation of wafer processing and photolithography. And Bhavana will continue that.
So now we are going to see about functional adaptability. The unique features of VLSI is where we can easily enable their complex function into a simple one. Where we can do multitasking in single chip itself. So the second quality is we can integrate both analog and digital circuit in same chip. So where we can reduce noise and the efficiency is so high. While speaking about applications, the application of VLSI is wide around the world, so it is spread among all the fields in the world. So while we speaking about consumer electronics, where in wearable health devices, and it can be used in certain to monitor the health devices also. In while speaking about communication field, where it is used in communication of the satellite with each other, and industrial automation, we are used to automate the devices in the industries using VLSI technology. And not only that, VLSI technology is mostly used in mobile phones, laptops, and every consumer electronics. Over to Hamza.
I am going to talk about the future trends in VLSI technology, moving to smaller process nodes like 2 nanometers and 3 nanometer for better performance and energy efficiency, developing a 3D integrated circuit and combining a different technology which enhance the capabilities and performance, using the VLSI technology to create the quantum process and relate the hardware, enhance the low power and high performance devices for IoT and edge computing. Over to Harish.
I am going to conclude this case study. VLSI technology is revolutionizing the electronic devices, making devices in smaller, in an efficient way. It spans from the its impact spans from the medical devices to the smartphones. Continuous innovation in VLSI leads to the technological improvement in the future and in the nanoscale.